Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a squishy package. Yes, someone ordered from my squishy shop, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry, 1 second. So yeah guys, so what they wanted is a Cafe Dien, but I only have this one, so whatever. And then put an extra on there, that, put in this thing. Sorry guys. So yeah, I'm gonna send it out. So hey guys, so today I got a squishy package. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I can't really see in, but you guys can take the first peek. I ordered a Cafe Dien squishy and I'm so excited. Front is back. It was open like this already. I don't know why they let them mail like that. But yeah. So this is the first squishy. This is very dense, very non-squishy. So I'm guessing this is an extra. Thanks for the extra anyways. I can use an extra too. It's actually really squishy. But thanks for the extra. So I only got those 2 things in my extra bag, so I'm really disappointed. This one's actually really good. I think there's supposed to be a straw there. So yeah, I'm really disappointed that I didn't get my Cafe Dien squishy today. So there we go. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below what future videos you want to see from me. And thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, as you saw, I did a life of a squishy scammer. This one's actually from the dollar store, and I did have a straw there, just ripped off. This one my friend gave me, but I ripped it and have it to soccer ball. So yeah guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I know it's a really short video, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it. So please like, subscribe, comment down below what future videos you want me to do, and turn on those bell notifications so you will be notified whenever I post a new video, so you would be probably the first one to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.